Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update Standalone installer error 0x80096002 on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, we need to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The next solution is to reset Windows Update components. Now, I have a script for you. All you need to do is copy the script and then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator and then paste it here, the script. Now, I'll tell you what the script does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat through two folders. It will re-register the necessary DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally, it will restart all the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.